Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by forcing the platform into a clean state so Roblox has fewer obstacles. First, install all pending Windows and Microsoft Store updates. Once done, run WS Reset. EXE to clear the store cache, and sign out then back in to refresh permissions. Next, close heavy background apps and switch your power plan to high performance so CPU/GPU won't downclock. Do these now to remove common system-level causes of lag and prepare for the deeper changes ahead. Now tune graphics and app behavior to reduce stutter. Update your GPU drivers from NVIDIA/AMD/Intel directly. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling in settings if available, because it can lower latency. Then open graphics settings and assign Roblox and the Microsoft Store to your high-performance GPU. Set Roblox to high priority in Task Manager so the scheduler favors it. Finally, disable the Xbox game bar, background recording, and unneeded start. Finish by eliminating network and corrupted app causes. Use wired Ethernet when possible, reboot the router, and pause all downloads and cloud sync to free bandwidth. Update your network adapter drivers and run ipconfig/flushtons to clear name resolution issues. If problems continue, do a clean boot to isolate services, then reinstall Roblox from the Microsoft Store. If the store itself is corrupted, reset it in app settings. Key troubleshooting tip: perform a clean boot to quickly discover which background service causes the lag.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.